You did well raiding that Craven base, Jared. I spent hours jamming the heretics who were hunting you afterwards. Our corporate friends are not amused by a defeated enemy who fights back.
I tried my best. Many gave more than their best.
And they will be remembered in the eternal dawn. I've made contact with a group of our attack aerodynes. They are hiding in the Auroch Mountains. There is a Cray base on the plains near your position, ripe for the taking, so long as someone destroys their anti-air defenses.
And my men and I will be that someone.
There is no one more qualified. The key to this attack is to hold the element of surprise as long as possible. As soon as you open fire, the base defenders will react and close in. The AA sites are around the base. They are marked on the map west, north, and southeast of the airfield.
If the defenders are that strong, even without the AA sites, they could bring down our aerodynes with ground fire.
I know. That is why your group is going to have to remain on site during the airstrike to suppress any Craven ground troops. I have seen at least one Cray heavy Pteradyne in the region as well. Avoid it like the final night, and you should be all right.
Forgive me, my friend, but when one such as you says should be all right, it does little to reassure me. I have trusted you most of my life, and this is no time to change that. I will brief my troops.
My thanks, Jared. Your trust may be the most important weapon I have now. Magnus out.
New drop zone. Landing vehicle entering atmosphere. Mission update. Enemy is numerically superior. Recommendation. Keep your forces hidden as long as possible as you approach your targets.
Waypoint added, Deacon. Waypoint added, Deacon.
Move command understood. Waypoint added.
Move order received. Assuming line formation.
Warning. A Craven Wolf Pteradyne is in the area and seeking your forces. Recommendation. Avoid it at all cost, as your Crusader squads are incapable of penetrating its forward armor.
Yes, Deacon, we are moving. Move order received.
Yes, Deacon. We will move. Waypoint added. Unable to reach location, Deacon. Waypoint added.
Waypoint added, Deacon. Yes, Deacon.
Enemy structure destroyed. Alert! Your forces are now being pursued by Craven Security. Analysis of radio traffic indicates that the remaining AA sites are being reinforced.
We are on our way.
Squad 3 taking hostile fire.
Move order received. Yes, Deacon. Yes, Deacon, we are moving. Move order received. Waypoint added. Waypoint added.
Squad 2 taking hostile fire.
We're moving, Deacon. Move or we are on our way. Engaging the unworthy.
Squad 2 taking hostile fire.
Order received. We're moving, Deacon.
Squad 2 taking hostile fire. Infrastructure destroyed. There is only one AA site left. Assume that the remaining Craven forces will be concentrated there to prevent its destruction.
Yes, Deacon. Waypoint added.
Unable to reach look, we shall move command, understood.
Squad 3 taking hostile fire.
Yes, Deacon. Move order received. We are on
Squad
our
2
way.
taking hostile fire.
We're moving, Deacon.
Squad 2 taking hostile fire.
Order received.
Squad 2 lost landing. Squad 3 regenerating.
We are on our way.
Squad 2 taking hostile fire.
We're moving. Move order received. We are on our way. We are on our way. Yes, Deacon, we are moving. Move order received.
Squad 3 regenerating. Command APC taking hostile fire.
Yes, Deacon.
Hostile Pterodyne eliminated.
We're moving, Deacon. Waypoint added, Deacon. We're moving, Deacon.
Hostile Pterodyne eliminated.
Yes, Deacon, we are moving.
Yes, Deacon. We will move.
Move order received.
We shall move at once, Deacon.
Attack order received. Yes, Deacon, we are. Move order received.
Command vehicle is in the line of
Command,
fire.
understood.
Squad 3 taking hostile
We are
fire.
on our way. We're moving, Deacon.
Squad 3 regenerating. Squad 3 taking friendly fire. Command APC taking hostile fire.
Affirmative. Attacking.
Squad 3 regenerating.
Attack order
Hostile
received.
Pterodyne eliminated.
We are on our way.
Squad 1 taking friendly fire. Hostile Pterodyne eliminated.
We're moving,
Command
Deacon.
APC taking hostile fire.
Attack order received.
Hostile Pterodyne eliminated. Squad 3 taking hostile fire. Squad 3 regenerating.
We are on our way.
Enemy structure destroyed.
Engaging the unward move.
Command
Order
APC
received.
taking hostile fire. Squad 3 regenerating. Hostile Pterodyne eliminated.
Yes, Deacon. We will move.
Command vehicle is in our line of fire.
Yes, Deacon, we are moving.
We shall move at once, Deacon.
Squad 3 regenerating. Command vehicle is in our line of fire. Squad 3 taking hostile fire. Command
Order
vehicle is
received.
in our line
Yes,
of fire.
As you we're
Hostile
moving,
Pterodyne
Deacon.
eliminated. Squad 3 taking hostile fire. Hostile Pterodine eliminated. Squad 3 taking friendly fire. Squad 3 regenerating. Squad 3 taking friendly
We are
fire.
on our way.
Squad 3 taking friendly fire. Hostile Pterodine eliminated. Squad 3 taking hostile fire. Squad 3 regenerating. Squad 3 taking friendly fire. Hostile Pterodine eliminated.
We're moving, Deacon. Yes, Deacon, we are moving.
Squad 3 regenerating. Squad 3 taking hostile fire. Squad 3
Order
taking
received.
friendly fire.
Yes, Deacon. We will move.
Move, Ord. We are on our way. We are on our way.
Squad 3 regenerating. Squad 3 taking hostile fire.
Yes, Deacon.
We shall move at one. Move command.
Hostile infantry eliminated. Squad 3 regenerating. Command APC taking
We're
hostile
moving,
fire.
Deacon.
Hostile infantry eliminated. Squad 3 taking friendly fire. Squad 3 regenerating. Hostile
We are on
infantry
our
eliminated.
way. We're
Squad 3
moving,
taking hostile fire. Squad 3 taking friendly fire. Hostile infantry eliminated.
Yes, Deacon, we are moving.
Yes, Deacon. We will move.
Mission object destroyed. You have destroyed the enemy's AA capabilities. Attack Aerodynes are now initiating their attack runs. Recommendation: suppress any surviving Craven Marine units while the attack takes place.
We shall move at once, Deacon.
Move order received. Yes, Deacon.
Move command understood.
We are on our way.
Hostile Pterodine eliminated.
Yes, Deacon, we are moving.
Mission accomplished.
I confess today my feelings of resentment towards Magnus. Though he has long been my friend, and more importantly, he is a paladin, judged wise enough to function apart from the Pax Dei, I feel that today's attack was unwise, and too soon after our last attack. Many of my men were still wounded and exhausted from the previous battle. I am sure the Craven base was valuable to the enemy, but I lost good crusaders today on an attack of dubious honor. We are the Pax Dei. We do not hide in the hills like thieves, and then strike at static emplacements. I was taught that these are the desperate acts of heretics, not of soldiers pursuing the will of God. Paladins are said to be the moral pillars of the Pax Dei, but in the past few days, I have seen how disturbingly practical my friend has become. I suppose in the light of God's relics, any action is just. What is it about this planet that makes a man doubt all he has believed?